YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. Guys, be sure to practice this etude with other bowings in the book. If you look back at page, page 4, developing bowing technique, he gives remarkable different examples of how to practice this with different bowings. Marcato, vioti bowing, spiccato, staccato, ricochet, everything. Basically, there's a lot, maybe not everything, but lots of different bowings. And I think that is where you will really get some value out of this etude. Don't just play détaché and be like, okay, I'm done, move on. No, you're not going to get a full value. So if you want to get full value, look at page 4. I really think it's going to be worth your while. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying this little book, and I hope it's preparing you for Kreutzer etudes. And I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to support my channel, I encourage you to join my YouTube membership site, which is a small fee, but it helps me maintain this channel and continue to create great content for you guys. Or you can join my Patreon site, where you can find even more options for basically same price. And I hope to see you on either one of those. And thank you very much for your support.